Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Vidya once again. Today I'll be showing you how to make eggless donuts at home in a very easy way. So let's get started. Firstly, take a mixing bowl, add a glass of lukewarm water and a tablespoon of sugar and also add tablespoon of dry yeast powder. Mix well and allow it to activate for 15 to 20 minutes by covering it. After 20 minutes, you can see that the yeast has been activated and raised a bit. Then add nearly 2 cups of all-purpose flour and also add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix it well all together to make a soft dough. Now cover it with a lid and let it rest for some time. Next, transfer it to a plate. Then add a spoon of unsalted butter and knead it gently. When you add butter, it cuts the gluten in the flour. You can also add few more spoons of flour while kneading it. Next, take a small portion of dough, roll it like a roti. Then, with the help of a donut cutter, cup or a bottle cap, shape the dough like a donut. Repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. Heat some oil in a pan and deep fry the donuts until golden brown. Once fried, transfer it into a plate. For preparing the glaze for the donuts, I am using Mode white chocolate compound. Add a few pieces of it and allow it to melt in double boiling method. Then dip the donuts partially inside the liquid hot chocolate one by one. Finally, sprinkle some colored sprinklers over it. Our tasty and soft donuts are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.